Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be discussing the topic Sitecore Stream. It's an AI that is integrated within the Sitecore. So let's see how this AI works in the Sitecore. Introduction to Sitecore. So first of all, I don't want to give a detailed introduction to Sitecore, but still Sitecore is a digital experience platform, okay, and through which we can create and manage the content of the website with advanced personalization and marketing capabilities. And I will take you through few products of the Sitecore like experience manager. It's a content management system. Like initially Sitecore developed as a content management platform, so it is called XM, and later marketing and personalization capabilities also added along with that. It is called XP, experience platform. And then XMCloud, it's a cloud version of Sitecore, like it's a pure headless version of experience manager. And then ContentHub, so it's a unified portal where we can manage the content of the Sitecore like audio, video, document, images, etc. Sitecore personalized, through which we can create the real-time personalization based on the customer behavior and data. And then the Sitecore send, using Sitecore send we can create or deliver personalized email messages and the campaigns to the end users. So why the Sitecore stream has been introduced, or what is the challenge facing by the content teams today? While adding the content in the experience editor and in the content editor, they have to be careful about the brand, like maintaining the brand consistency, brand tone, brand voice, and the rules while creating content. Also, they have to create the content for different field in different formats. Okay, so altogether, it's a time-consuming process. With the help of Sitecore Stream, they can create the content quickly, and also they can use the Sitecore Stream to refine the content and to generate multiple variants of content. So it will make the life easier. Okay, so let's see how we can install and configure this Sitecore stream in the experience platform. And first of all, like it's only compatible with the versions above 10.2. And to enable the Sitecore stream, like we have two plans, free tier and premium tier. With the free tier, only some limited functionalities or features are possible. First one is generate content and variant generation. In the experience editor and in the content editor, we can generate new content, and also we can refine the existing content, and we can generate multiple variants of content. This is possible with the free tier. And now the visual search, it's a feature in the content hub. So if we are integrating the stream to the content hub, then we can upload an image, we can use that image to search for some similar images. Okay, so visual search is possible in free tier. And now agentic workflow. Agentic workflow means it's a project management feature available in the Sitecore cloud portal, through which we can create the project, we can create the task, and AI will suggest the task and deliverables, and also AI will help to send notification to team members, and we can assign the team member to the task, and they can clarify the requirements. So so many features like that are possible in the agentic workflow. So that is possible in the free tier. And in the premium tier, the main functionality is the brand kit. So we can upload the brand related documents, and the content will be generated based on the brand. Okay, so these are the two tiers that we can use in the Sitecore stream. How to install or how to configure the Sitecore stream in the experience platform. First of all, we have to go to the organization admin has to go to the cloud portal, and they have to switch to appropriate organization where the stream is enabled. And in the app section, they can see or they can download the Sitecore stream DXP zip file. And like similar to installing a package in the experience platform, we can install this DXP zip file, and we can see a new section in the launchpad. Okay, along with that, we also have to generate the client ID and client secret from the cloud portal, and we have to configure it in the connection strings in the experience platform. Then now we can verify the setup. So in the launchpad, there will be a new section stream with three options like project, assistant, and brand kits. So now we have installed the stream, and now we can discuss the roles that we needed to configure or to create the content in the Sitecore stream. So since the Sitecore stream is completely a cloud-based portal, we don't have to create any new roles in the XP. So in the Sitecore stream, to see the Sitecore stream, the user has to be added in the cloud portal by the organization admin as an organization user. and we can give the admin access or read-only access or user access to that organization user. First of all, read-only access, like as the name suggests, like they can only view the brand kit project and content, every task, everything in the Sitecore stream. And now the user access. In the user access, they can edit the brand kit and they can contribute to the task and they can clarify the requirement, comment on the task, upload images. So all these are possible with the help of user access. And now the admin access, like that means the full control, create and manage the project, adding new team members and assigning tasks to them and manage other users. So the full permission is possible, full control is possible in the admin access. So the role configuration and role as like we can configure the roles through the Sitecore cloud portal. Now let's see what we can do with the Sitecore stream in the experience platform. So the first one is content generation. Before starting, I just want to mention like the stream will only support three type of field: single line text, multi-line text, and rich text. Okay, so you can see an AI icon here, the red color icon. So in the content editor, next to the supported field, we can see this icon. So when clicking on that icon, the pop-up will appear, so that I have added below. So we can do a number of functionalities using this stream pop-up. So the first one, generate new content. Assume the field is empty and we are clicking on the AI icon. So the pop-up will appear and we can enter the prompt and click on generate. The content will be generated in the right hand side. So we can click on accept and it will automatically go to that particular field. That is the generate new content. And now we can refine the existing content. Suppose the field already has some data and we are clicking on the AI icon, the existing content will come in the original content. Okay, and then we can refine it by clicking on improve writing and fix spelling, grammar, make it shorter or longer and changing tone, and then we can click on the generate. So after reviewing the content, we can click on accept, it will go to that particular field. And now generate multiple content variants. So that means we can see a drop down here, right? Variants to generate. So here we can generate the variants from 1 till 5. Okay. Once we selected the number of variants, then we can click on the generate content. So it will generate that particular number of variants what we have selected. After that, we can select what variant we want and click on accept. It will go to that particular field. And the last feature, that is like select a brand kit. So it will be disabled by default because it is like it is available only for the premium tier. And if in case you are a premium tier, then you can just go to the cloud portal and you have to upload the brand documents and you have to create the brand kit first. And then now we can come to the content editor. In the stream pop-up, you can select that particular brand kit that you have created in the cloud. And now you can click on the generate. So it will generate the content based on that particular brand kit, I mean based on that brand. So now the AI is aware of the brand. Okay, and when clicking on the accept, it will go to that particular field. So that is what we can do with selecting a brand kit in the stream pop-up. Now the second functionality, second thing that we can do with the stream is item translation. So if we want to add a new language version, so while adding, we will get this note, right? Add a new version. So along with that, we can now see a new one, like add a new version with stream translate. And when clicking on that, the translate pop-up will appear. And here, whatever field that are supported on that particular template or particular item, so all those fields will appear in the available field section. And we can select that particular field and click on the translate, then all those content will be translated automatically. Now, if you want to compare the existing version and with the current translated version, you can click the translate option that is available on the ribbon. And now let's go to the existing language version. So in this case, in the version tab, there will be a stream button and we can click on that particular stream button and translate pop-up will appear. Here you can see the checkbox, right? Include field with values. And when selecting that particular checkbox, so what we can see is the field that already has data. Those field will also come in the available field. And we can select the field, whatever we want to translate and click on the translate. It will translate the language and it will go to that particular field. Okay, it will add to that particular field. And then here also we can compare with the current and the new version. The next thing that we can do with the help of Stream AI is creation of brand kits. So it is available with only the premium tier. Okay. So we can access this by clicking on the Launchpad brand kit option. It will take us to the cloud portal where we can create the brand kits, like we can upload the brand specific documents and the content will be generated based on that brand kit. Now let's see how can we upload the document. First of all, create brand kit, and then below pop-up will appear. Enter brand name. If company name is different, enter that and enter the industry and upload the logo. Click on the create button. So now we have created the brand kit. The next step is uploading the document. I have mentioned some documents over here. You can see more details in the Sitecore official site. Okay, so we can upload the documentation, upload the documents, and then initially it will be in the draft status, and we have to click on the process document button. There will be a checkbox like we can generate the section with the help of AI. Click on that if needed, and then click on the process document. So the document will be processed. It will take few minutes, depends on the document size, and once it is processed, the draft status will change to published status. So now the brand kit has been created with documents, and we can use that particular brand kit option in the stream pop-up on experience and the content editor. This is a sample brand book that is available on the Sitecore documentation, which follows all the Sitecore guidelines. Okay, so we can create our own brand book similar to this one, and we can upload on the brand kit. So that's how we can create the brand kits. Brand assistant. So this one we can access through the Sitecore Launchpad. Clicking on the assistant, it will take us to the cloud portal where we can ask questions in natural language, and it will give the response based on the brand documents that we have uploaded. Okay, so that is brand assistant. It is like a co-pilot. And the next feature, that is the project. It is the project management feature that is available on the Sitecore stream. It can also be accessed through the Sitecore Launchpad. And here in the project section, we can create projects, manage project by creating the task, and add team members to the task. Also assign works like the team members can clarify the requirements, they can comment on the task, they can upload the images, they can see the overall project status. So all these things we can do with the help of AI in the project layer. So AI can suggest the task that has to be created or the deliverables that has to be created, and it can send notification to the team members. So with the help of AI, with the help of stream, we can do many things like that in the project layer. There is also one page like my day. There we can see the pending status of the task and the task that are assigned to us that we have to do next. So everything that we can see, like it's like an overall view or the overall status of the project that is available on the project feature. This is available with the free tier version of the stream. It works differently in the premium tier and in the free tier. So let's see how it works in the premium tier. So here we are uploading the brand related documents, right? So the AI is already aware of the brand. It knows about the product, about the guidelines. So the content will be generated accordingly. And this process is called retrieval augmented generation. And in the free tier, it is not aware about the brand. It is not aware about the products and the guidelines and the legal policies, anything. So it will generate the content based on the knowledge that is around us. So that is the difference between the free tier and the premium tier. In the premium tier, it works with the retrieval augmented generation, but there is no process called the retrieval augmented generation in the free tier. And now, okay, so I have covered everything like how to install, configure, and how the AI is working in the experience platform. And I just want to give a quick overview how this can be integrated on other Sitecore products as well. First of all, in Content Hub. In the Content Hub, I already mentioned about the visual search, like we can upload an image and we can use that image to search for the similar image. Okay, and content generation translation already I mentioned in the XP. So similar things are possible here in the Content Hub also. And grounded image tagging, so the image will be auto tagged, like the tag will be populated automatically based on the information available, and the labels will also generate automatically with the help of AI. And now in the XMCloud, so in the XMCloud also the content generation and the content translation and the brand intelligence, everything is possible. Along with that, personalization, we can write like we can generate the content based on the audience previous search history or their geography, their region, etc. So for example, like American English, we can translate to British English, or we can personalize it to Australian slang. So all these are possible with the help of AI. And then in the A by B testing, we can create multiple variants to test, and the AI will automatically transfer all the traffic to the winning version. So if the customer is choosing one version, so then if that version has more customers compared to others, then the AI will automatically transfer all this traffic to that particular version. We don't have to bother about that. So that is A by B testing. And a new dashboard will be available in the XMCloud. So it is the overall project summary, like a project management feature that is available on the stream, right? So it is just a summary of that particular feature, so that we can see in the XMCloud. And now we can go to the next product, that is Sitecore search. Here we can search, or here we can ask questions in natural language, and the AI will generate the response based on the content and based on the Sitecore search result. So that's all with the Sitecore search. And now the CDP. And CDP, we can see a new dashboard called Gen Sites. It's an AI powered dashboard where we can see the recommendation that we have to improve, or we can use to improve the customer engagement. And also we can see the overall view of the CDP dashboard, quick summary of the CDP dashboard. And there is another feature available in the CDP, like the code assistant. So sometimes we have to write code for creating segments and for creating experiences. So in the with the help of code assistant, we can generate the code automatically in the CDP. So that is another feature. And now, commitment of Sitecore to the data. So we are uploading a lot of data, like brand related documents, personalization, campaign information, everything as a brand document to the AI. So what AI will do with this data? AI will never use this data to train to the AI models or unauthorized access, like unauthorized AI training. It will use this data only for giving the personalized experiences to the end user. Okay, for creating content or refining content and giving personalized experience, tailored experience to the end user. And it also follows all the guidelines, like all the privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA. Also we can access all this data, even the Sitecore stream, with the help of particular roles, with only particular roles and permissions. And while transmitting and while storing the data, it is in the encrypted form. So Sitecore is deeply committed and deeply responsible for the safe use of these AI technologies. So we can completely trust Sitecore, or we can be confident on our data. To summarize, with the help of Sitecore Stream, you will be able to generate the content and refine the content. This makes the life of content authors and the developers and the marketers like more easier. But still, since it is an AI, it is always a good practice to review the content before it goes live. So you have to review the content. Like once the content is generated, before approving, you have to review it before you are publishing the content. And one more thing I just want to highlight here about the brand kit feature. So by adding a brand kit in the premium tier, or by creating the brand kit, we can make the AI a brand aware AI. So it will generate the content more accurately. Okay. So by using the Sitecore stream, we can save a lot of time, and we can generate the content more accurately and more quickly. So thanks to Sitecore for introducing the Sitecore stream. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it on the comments. And thank you so much. So see you on the next video. Bye.